In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on MoneyGram's website, a convenient platform for transferring money quickly and securely. To get started, let's open your web browser and head over to MoneyGram.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on their homepage, which is filled with various options and information about their services. But don't worry, our focus today is to get you signed up, so let's look for the sign up button. You can usually find it at the top right corner of the page. A simple click on it will take you straight to the registration page. Now that you're on the registration page, you'll see a form prompting you to enter some essential details. This is where you will start by typing in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Make sure that the information you provide is accurate and up to date. These details not only serve as your contact information but also play an important role in verifying your identity during money transactions, which is crucial for your account security. Moving on, the next task is creating a password. It's important to make sure your password is strong and secure. Take some time to craft it using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A strong password is essential to shield your account from unauthorized access. It's a smart practice to either jot it down somewhere safe or use a password manager, which can help ensure you don't forget it. After you've entered all your details, it's a good idea to double check for any typos or mistakes. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the button to create your account. With your account almost ready, the next significant step is to verify your email address. MoneyGram needs to ensure the email is genuinely yours, which is standard practice with most online services nowadays. So, let's head over to your inbox. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see an email from MoneyGram right away. Once you spot the message, open it and you will find a verification link inside. A click on this link will do the trick, redirecting you back to MoneyGram's website and confirming that your email is verified. With your email verified, you can now log into your new MoneyGram account. Simply return to the MoneyGram homepage and click Login. Enter your email address and the password you just created, and voila, you're in. You now have access to an array of financial services that MoneyGram offers, from sending money across the globe to checking exchange rates. And that's it. You've successfully set up your account with MoneyGram, ready to be used whenever you need to transfer money securely and efficiently. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.